Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Today, I'm just gonna make a video of me unfortunately, could not get our group together today because, stuff that happens. Next week, you'll see a really nice group vlog, though. So stay tuned for that. And we're gonna just start cooking right away. All right. So I like to get 4 packs of oatmeal, usually 2 cinnamon and spice and 2 maple and brown sugar. There it is. So now, gotta turn on the hot water. Wait for it to get steaming hot. Just, I'll see you when it gets hot. Alright, so this water's hot. Hardly keep my hand under it. Blisters my hand. Really, it's hot. So then you're gonna make it just a little bit. Preferably, I don't like to have, let me get this tripod set up. Preferably, I myself don't like a lot of water in my oatmeal. I know some people do. So I like to dig a little crevice out in the middle. Just put some water in and stir it around. I'll get back with you when this is done. Okay, oatmeal's done. Let's just have some. Really good. I prefer probably the I like the maple and brown sugar with the cinnamon spice. Really good. Probably just like the best of both worlds. You got your maple and brown sugar and cinnamon spice just backs it up. That's really good. Really good. Like I said, I don't like it with a whole lot of water. But some people like it with a ton of water. Other people like it with not very much, like me. But I would recommend this to everybody. I mean, ugh, who doesn't like oatmeal? But there's many different flavors of oatmeal. Last bite. Can be kind of a messy meal, but hey, if the food's that good, I don't see what the big deal would be about it being messy or not. Did you think I was gonna stop with just oatmeal? I don't think so. Waffles. There's waffles. Ain't nothing special about them. There's waffles, but who doesn't like some good old-fashioned waffles, am I right? Alright, so you get yourself one. Some stuff in it, but boom. Boom. Ka-chink. Oh, ka-chink. Ka-chink. Darn shooting. It's not plugged in. No. There we go. Just unplug that. Boom. Now she's plugged in now. Ka-chink. They're cooking. I'll see you when they pop up. All right. Waffles are up. Go grab a plate. That noise was it's my dog. All right. Syrup. Syrup is a key thing when you're eating waffles. This is the way to go. Now with waffles, just lather that up on there. Just, oh, I'm probably missing that. Boom. Just, I like to get it in every single one of the cracks. Just boom. Alright. Alright, unfortunately, I did not have a fork at hand, but I got the next best thing, spoon. So I like to take, just cut off a little chunk and just monster it. Really good. Waffles are awfully dry, so what I like to do, get a nice big jug of water. And I just drink away. All right, I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me eating these waffles. All right. Okay guys, so that was the video about just me eating. My owner is gone right now, but I'm gonna film the outro. If you like these kind of videos, leave it in the comments that you like it. Maybe we could get the whole group together and just film a mukbang. All right, and I will see you guys tomorrow.